This is Raman, and today I'm going to brief you up on four hottest news about immigration. And I'm just reading those four news for you. The first one is Quebec Immigrant Investor Program, which is now open, and the second one is Northern Ontario Immigration Pilot Program, and the third one, largest express entry draw of 2018. We are going to discuss in detail in this video. And the fourth one is new invitations to francophone express entry candidates. The first one, the Quebec Immigrant Investor Program, which is now open. Under this program, they are going to accept 1900 applications, and this will open till March 15, 2019. In this, they have highlighted certain things. First is a maximum of 1235, that is 1235 applications will be accepted from China, which includes Macau as well as Hong Kong. And the changes, modified criteria for from the from previous years, is that previously the net asset and investment requirements, net asset previously it was around Canadian dollar 1.6 million. Now they have increased it to 2 million, and similarly they have increased the investment requirement to 1.2 million from 800,000. So they are raising the bar, and this is the investment. Second is about Northern Ontario Immigration Pilot Program. This is a very, I think, good news for those who are not falling under the skilled entry of skilled workers level A and B. This is especially targeting the workforce which is coming under skilled category C and D. That includes supervisors, sales and services, some clerics and assistant categories. So in this category C and D, as per the announcement, they are going to accept the application of 1500 immigrants a year. So this is a good news for all those who are coming under skills level C and D. And the third most important and the hottest one is the largest express entry draw of 2018 just happened on 5th September. So they have issued around 3,900 invitations to apply. So this with this draw, they break the trend of issuing 3750 invitations to apply, because I have data of previous seven express entry draws. And I'm just reading it for you. From May 30th, on June 13th, they conducted a express entry draw, and June 25th, July 11, July 25th, August 8, August 22nd, and September 5th now. So before September 5th and after May 30th, they issued ITS around 3750. And there is one point to note down, that they are now maintaining a score of 440, 441, 442. So my advice to all candidates who are actually looking for Canadian express entry, they must increase their scores. How can they increase? Let me take one example for all of you. Suppose a person who has done post graduation, it can be that is evaluated by WES. That is a separate chapter which degree basically they recognize. So those who have master, and it is evaluated by World Education Services or equivalent body, and they have around CLB 9 and age is above 35, still they can enter, and they can it's good, and they have around 442 score, and they can get ITA, invitation to apply. If your age is less than 36 with master degree and CLB 9, you can count 10 more points on that, 5 for each year. So you can calculate your score. There is a score calculator available on internet also. And the second thing, if you don't have master degree but you have Canadian work experience still, and you don't have CLB 9 even though, and you have CLB 7, still you qualify for it with the age of 34, and your CS score will be around 442 or 443, so you will be getting ITA for that. What are the other options? Many candidates like you are asking that what we can do. So in that case, I suggest either you go for master degree, but if you don't have time, or you want to do some alternatives, there are provincial nominations. If your category falls under that, it's quite difficult to score provincial nomination nominee program. So job offer is quite difficult in that case, but you can try alternate also, like going for master degree, or you can try the another option, the fourth one. Ontario issues new invitations to francophone express entry candidates. So they have issued around 1006 invitations, those through French speaking skilled workers team in 2018. So this is a good news for those who have French abilities and they can score well in that. And definitely in this program they are eligible and they can apply for this. This is the only option left for them if they don't want to do masters. So these four were the hottest news, and I will be updating you in the next future also for the latest immigration news. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it, share with your friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye.